Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the PhD Smart Protein Bar in the cookies and cream flavor. It's got a little bit of a rebranding, looks a little bit different, but it's still the same PhD Smart Bar, high protein, low sugar, that we know and love. So, I guess they have a weird nutrition label, it's a little bit different than ones normally in Canada. And per 64 gram bar, there's 11 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbohydrate with 1.9 sugar, and 19 grams of sugar alcohols, and then 20 grams of protein for 241 calories. So there's a lot of sugar alcohols in these, and you can kind of taste it, and I personally feel it after I eat it, but it's still a pretty decent bar, all things considered. If I can get into it. So they have a cool texture, and that's what I like a lot about these. Is it's like bumpy. It's got a nice creamy layer on the inside, but I want to get right into it here. The caramel layer in between chocolate and the crunchy pieces, and in the middle tastes like cookies and cream. It's really good. Very unique. I love the texture of this bar. My favorite thing about it, crunchy, chewy, everything in between, all in one bar. Really nice. So the PhD Smart Bar, cookies and cream, 20 grams of protein. Pretty decent bar. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 7.5. What I like about it is the different texture that it's got going on. There's chocolate layer, there's some crunchy stuff, there's a caramel-like layer, and there's the like nougaty kind of stuff in the middle. Really cool to have a bunch of different things going on at once. Makes it like a enjoyable protein bar. Flavor isn't amazing. It's good, but not like mind-blowingly amazing. And I do taste a lot of sugar alcohols in it, and my digestive system doesn't like if I have more than if I have anything more with more sugar alcohols in it after eating one of these, stomach doesn't like it that much. So if your digestive system's a little bit sensitive to sugar alcohols, I'd probably avoid this bar, but if not, it's a pretty good tasting one. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.